Do you need to boost your credit score 40 to 75 points before home purchase? Don't panic, you can actually move the needle in as little as 30 days. Here are 3 tips to boost your score for a home purchase, fast. First, the 10% rule of credit utilization. How much of your limit you're using is a massive part of your score. If you have the cash, pay your credit card balances down to under 10% before your statement closes, or ask for an increase. Most banks only report your balance once a month. If you pay it off early, the credit bureau sees a low balance and your score can jump instantly. Second, the piggyback. Ask a family member with a perfect payment history and a high limit old credit card to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their years of good habits and high credit limit get added to your profile. It's the closest thing to a credit cheat code that actually works. Third, ask your lender about a rapid rescore. Normally, credit updates take a month. But if you paid off debt or fixed an error, your mortgage lender can ask the credit bureaus to update your file in 3 to 5 business days. It's a paid service that only pros can access, and it's a total game changer when you're under the clock. One final rule: do not open new accounts or close old ones while you're house hunting. Keep your profile steady. Follow me for more tips like this. These tips and go get those keys.